I mean, I carry it back. 6:30, put up thing like I don't see. Like I don't see 6:30 or reggae them. Right, right.
Put up the volume ranks. Put up the volume down.
Not tonight.
Good night.
Good night.
You good? Huh? You want to know face, man? Uh,
Why, right. Really so too. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, granny, grandpa, it's always a pleasure to be on set. This is South Coast Podcast Raw. I'm your boy, Franca Tree Magdaleno.
and I'm Lord Byron from the Galaxies. So,
Yeah.
boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know the chopping. South Coast Podcast. Right, what episode with that, Tree?
By the way, that episode 22.
Episode 22. For what? For the since we
total.
start off.
Total.
Total, for this year?
We're there at 12.
12.
Yeah, 12.
Why 22, 12,
So
12,
number.
22. Why 22 not the number?
Yeah, 22.
22 not the number.
But folks, I know one of the wait. Somehow know can't wait for it live, but it is what it is, right? Sometimes we have to hold back for, because we have the activities is so big that the set we have a lot of people for come for a set, so sometimes we have to lay back and then we have the man never set up thing where lackadaisically at times. But we know
Why?
we know a bonfire for Jaluna like that, right? Because
we know what deal with that. No, I know what to read that. Actually, I know what to read.
But I believe by that. I believe by that. Right?
I know what to read. We burn no fire.
I know the burn no fire.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you the truth. When you say a tree, that's the time it lights up about tardiness.
Yes,
but
they don't know about
now the tardiness come from a tree. And from a tree, all the tardiness come from. But anyway, we don't know how we stay. This is not South Coast Podcast.
Rah.
And we talk how we
Feel, yeah. That's
but here where they go on now. We don't know one thing about we not all about entertainment. We not all about the culture, the food, entrepreneurship. We not all about inspiration. We not all about education. And we not all about elevation. Right, Atri?
Yes,
so,
man.
You don't know, brother. You know
if you're there, we for carry here.
All right.
And while you're there, we carry up more, higher.
Right?
Now for we man show. No discrimination, no germs, no day. And Easter the concern, no want germs wrong you. So purchase on the merch.
All right.
We got the merch.
We got the merch. Get yours.
Get yours.
Atri, you know, brother. You know, I want to tell you, you know that by our pleasure, man, for
them on the course.
For them on the course with you every Wednesday, brother. You know what I'm saying? I know, you know, you and man, I think you are different levels. You understand? And I have to give it to you, brother. You check? And I give you your flowers every day.
Yeah, me no want flowers, me no want flowers. Me no want flowers, me no want garland. Me no want that. Don't follow nobody thing on me.
So, well, anyway, brother, I just want to say, you are my brother.
Yeah. Even though we quarrel, we fuss, we fight, but that's how the thing said. Behind the scenes, the thing nice.
Yeah, you think?
You know, when we're there on set, our different movement. And right now, I just feel good for say the people the wrong. I mean, we have a nice amount of people out tonight, because we have a special later on. We're not
Yeah, well,
mention
yeah,
about
yes,
it,
sir. Yes,
right?
sir.
But for the first half, I want to big up the people there with the people, the diaspora, the people where they out there now. I mean, the America, LA, Chicago, um, Philly,
New York,
New York, the whole crew,
Atlanta.
everybody, Josh and the crew, the ATL,
Yes,
well, lucky.
sir.
And see where I want to bless up on my two girls there,
Yeah.
Kiara and Kamani, they're on the way, they come in.
Mhm.
So, safe travels to my girls there every time, right? But,
Yeah, and big up, big up all the people in country.
yeah,
You dig big up the whole of Dan Grega. First of
yes,
all,
man, yes,
you don't
man,
know
yes,
Grega,
man,
you don't know this after we thing,
yeah,
right? First of all, with the pan the monument
yeah, we're there
of our
home,
drums of our
we're there
fathers,
home,
right? Locally in Grega, we call it the
home,
Y.
the why,
You check? And we want to big up Jaluna Bitters.
every time, yeah.
Because I don't know Jaluna Bitters.
Right, we got Kush,
For we boy,
Kush
and we are also
International
the ambassadors to
at
Jaluna
Jaluna
Bitters,
Bitters.
right?
And
So,
check with for the Easter, we have the merch, no germs. We have Jaluna Bitters mixing at 3 different flavors, turmeric. We have the cinnamon mixed with the noni, and we also have the beets.
yes.
So anyway, we want to see we for the Easter, you just holler Jaluna Bitters and we just a haul out. You could get it by quart, you could get it by
Flask,
flask, and you could get it by gallon.
Galan.
All right? Just remember that.
Ah,
Also, we want to big up with sponsors tonight,
yeah, go on, go there,
right?
go
We
there,
have
go
to
there,
big up with people there.
go
I
there.
want to big up DJ Rude Boy,
Yeah, man.
DJ Allo,
Conflict music.
Conflict Music, Kush International, Sanoa,
Yeah, don't know.
Jaluna Bitters every time, Garifuna, Little Blessings Daycare.
Yeah,
We
new
have to,
thing,
the
right?
new thing, big up Little Blessings Daycare. And I also want to big up where the guy where Jaluna just said just now, the guy for Hopkins. Jaluna, the guys at Hopkins when they near. I want the name, see? Anyway, big up everybody. I want big up with people there for Barranco to Libertad,
Yeah,
right? Big up with people for Barranco to Libertad. I also want to big up the city crowd.
yeah, big up the city massive.
Orinjoa,
Yeah,
Corozal,
Placencia,
Placencia, the Griga crew, Pomona, Silgrass,
Jatong,
Georgetown, St.
Hopkins.
Pite,
That's it.
Barranco. And also, no, I don't want to forget with people, with essential people's name.
Honduras.
With essential people's there, where they, that the jungle, where they put in work, they be there.
Essential
With
workers.
essential workers,
With police.
they be there.
With police, with
With
Coast Guard.
with nurses, with doctors.
Doctors.
Yeah, big up the people there every time.
We have to big up with Cubans there.
Yeah, hold the fort.
Yeah, man.
So with that said and done, the Lord,
So I've been out with first.
we have a first guest.
All right, good.
Right? So our ass Maurice way swing the camera so the people see the lead crowd we have while we have our first guest coming on set. So Mr. Salah I ask you to walk that way away from the camera
Camera.
and then yeah, but that's how we look right now, guys, right? This is how we look right now with up on the Y.
People
Right.
are all fools there, people.
Yes,
so
today are the first.
So they say when I treat the top about crowd and they say when the camera the show there.
The crowd, we have a nice set of people, a crowd. Come on, Mr. Hold on. But we have a nice, entourage. Nice entourage of people out there tonight. Right? But big up the people there, Manti, Hopkins crowd.
Yeah, big up the Hopkins massive.
Can't big forget the Hopkins crowd. But make we read out some of the text if you don't want to help me do that.
Yeah, got them, man.
Right? Julissa by Julice.
Big up Julius.
Big up yourself, Julius.
Jules, now what's not there, Jules?
All right.
We have make sure you get on this show here because we want to talk about ice cream cake.
Julius say he want hot cross bun. Good night, everyone. They say Seeing Bite is in the house
See,
every
right in
time.
the house, Miss Thelma.
Yeah.
All right, good. Yeah.
Big up the West Coast. They have Candice Wood, the whole crew, everybody well lucky.
Yeah, man. Big up the whole West Coast,
All right.
man. I went on, man.
All right, we have Mike. Everything is set. All right, folks. Once again, we want to say good night to everybody. We have Mr. Salomon, Dr. Sal.
Kingdom Man.
All right, Dr. Sal on set. And last month we had that on set, but due to the implementation and the weather at that moment, Jaja never give me the opportunity for me want to shoot. So we have to run, right? And then with the equipment, you don't make for water,
Right,
right?
right.
So water can't touch none of the equipment, so you say, yeah, automatically it's spoiled, right? So I want to welcome you again on set officially. Welcome to South Coast Podcast Raw.
Right. Correct.
I don't mention your name, but I will make you do the honor so that the people they know who they pass it.
All right. Well, again, gentlemen, thanks so much for having me here tonight. It's a
It's a
pleasure.
pleasure.
It's
No.
a treat to come for this show, right? The only one raw show what about Riga.
Yeah, right.
Real raw.
Yes,
Yeah.
man. Yeah,
That's how we like it. So anyway, um, my name is Edward Solomon, aka Kingdom Ed. That's how most people know me in the community. And then born and grow Agriga, right? So with Agriga boy. And been around doing all sorts of things, been involved in sports for many years,
Mm.
right? For the most part, when it comes to sport, it was basketball that occupying my time, and I used to do battle against Jaluna for many years too, right? He used to always think he better than me, but I never real that.
Boy, Jaluna, my
But
area, Jaluna.
the listen, but
Yeah, where the man the chat, boy. You hear the man out, Jaluna, man say a battle between you and him, but you feel like you better than him, but the man say he better than you still.
Yes.
Basketball, the man the chat more, Jordan.
Chat about.
That's
Man, I
all right,
chat.
good.
so,
Oh,
so ranking,
oh.
all I respect all the time. I'm
Yeah.
in a family, one people say.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, and but recently I got involved with boxing,
Yeah.
and you know, I realized that for too long boxing went dormant
Yeah.
in
Did.
our community, right? In the country, it was dead from the 70s,
Mm.
right? And then not until like about 16 or 17 years ago when Brother Assad Martinez came back with all his experience from the US, and working along with these international bodies and people like Felix Trinidad, people who we only watch on the TV, but
Yeah.
this guy was in those camps gaining all this knowledge, right? And he returned and started back what we refer to now as the Belize Boxing Development Council. And I joined that council like about 3 years ago. And with the main reason was to find one group of people who I could link up with to try bring back to Riga boxing as
Yeah.
we used to know it. And if I'm not mistaken, the last time a boxing event had taken place back then was right behind us here at the Gateway. Right?
Okay.
I only was able to go into that event because one of my cousins who was fighting the night, brought us in as kids, right?
Mm.
But beside that, that was it.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I've been a part of three events here, boxing events, in terms of setting it up, organizing, and two times we had it at Rosochiste, and another time we did an exhibition out on Alejo Beni Park.
Okay.
That was a free just for people to kind of come out and just see if this is something they like, they miss, they want to see
Yeah.
more,
Yeah. Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
kind of feel out the people, and it was a good turnout. People really enjoyed it, and at this point now, we are trying to move forward, but better organize ourselves, um, put the events together
Yeah.
in a way that are way more successful, that people come out and enjoy it, but at the same time to inspire young people out here,
Younger
right?
generation.
Male and female, because boxing is a sport for male and female. We see some amazing things and being accomplished right now in the world of boxing, in female boxing, right? They've come a long way, and in fact, on the card that we're gonna have, we have a female boxer from Honduras as well, right? So that is where we are with that, and I'm now here to speak about that, talk to you guys about whatever questions you may have about, the organization, the initiatives, whatever we're trying to accomplish,
Yeah.
and of course the event coming up um, next month, right here,
Yeah. Next month. Yeah. Yeah. So this event is happening in Dangriga. What's the date for this event?
April 11th.
April 11th.
Yep.
So that is
And
next week.
This is next Saturday.
Next Saturday, yeah?
Yes, from 6 p.m. It's probably gonna go until about 10:30, 11, just depending how long the fights them, and that usually also determine how long the event. But it's gonna be a packed card, right? Of course, it's happening at Aba Isini,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So Aba Isini, cool spot where the action on there, and maybe we can say South Coast in the spot.
Yeah, we are put up at the spot. I mean, that's something where I think we should be part of. I'm saying that it's just to be there. I think the whole community supposed to come out and support this event that's going to be happening at Abaisene. And for a long time, I don't think this community have ever witnessed a boxing match,
A real good
a real good
boxing
boxing match,
event,
a
yeah,
boxing
because
event.
this card, right?
Professional.
It's a combination of amateur fights and professional fights, right? We're planning on doing about 4 or 5 amateur fights and 5 or 6 professional fights. So it's a packed card.
Yeah, yeah.
And as you can see from this is one of the flyers that I had shared with you guys. We have fighters coming from Honduras, from Guatemala, from Mexico, from the US, and our fighters in Belize.
Yeah.
So it's fully loaded,
Yes.
right? There is one female fight for the night,
Okay.
and that's the young lady from Honduras, and her opponent is gonna come from Mexico, right? But this young lady is being ranked very high right now in the region,
Okay.
right? World look at she right now. So when she chose to say yes to coming here to be part of our event, that was significant.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And so maybe some of the young ladies who may attend this event might look at it and say, you know what, I could
Might
show
be
just like she,
interested, yeah.
she ain't got nothing for me,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So
and
because the skills are right out there.
yeah. I mean, we all know, Dangriga full of talent.
Definitely.
Dangriga full of
We have the
skills.
most athletic people in this country.
Definitely.
We
Naturally.
always produce the best
Naturally.
footballers.
Naturally.
We compete the top when it comes to basketballers, volleyball, all those sports, track and field. Why not boxing? Right? Because as you guys may know, those people who we currently see as world champs, they earn crazy millions of dollars from fight. Because boxing, in fact, sports, as when I was here the last time, I'm gonna start to talk about how we view sports, right? We have to stop viewing sports as play.
It's an
We're
industry.
not, it's an industry.
It's
It's
an
an
industry
economic
now, man.
vehicle, right? That could take you serious places, set you with generational type wealth involved in boxing and sport of boxing. And it all comes down to us realizing that no other country, no other set of people more talented than us or more prepared than us, physically endowed, naturally, right? So we just have to have that stage for them. We just have to set that stage
Platform.
and then that platform, correct?
Excuse me,
Maurice, song.
yeah, say where they broke up.
I think Mike.
I don't know if on the mic there or
I didn't hear about whether they go in and out. Yeah.
It sounds fair enough.
It's going in and out.
all right, it look like everything.
How it look like now? How it look like out there? How it look like out there, Jack?
Julius, how we stand? How we sound, Julius?
I didn't hear good now, so
That's fair.
everything plug in. I didn't hear a leaf fry, but we plug in. All right,
Yeah, so
I don't
okay,
think
we
we're
all
not
right.
gonna worry about that.
yeah, so
I mean,
because the night
technology, right? Yeah, we
correct.
need to move up. So.
Yeah, so at this moment, I want to take a little time to thank some of the people behind the scenes and some of the people who so far has, supported us, sponsored us in different ways, right? Before I touch that though, we want the general public to also know that we have some ticket agents around so that they can find tickets, right? Because we have tickets at 3 prices.
Okay.
Right? We have the general admission, which is $30. We have the ringside tickets, which are $50, and we have the VIP tickets, which are $100.
Cheap.
Right. Very reasonable. Right?
Reasonable, yes.
And we could get tickets at Tangles Beauty Salon. You know, thanks to Tangles for saying, okay, no problem, we'll sell tickets for you. And we have tickets at Kush International, right? Everybody knows Kush International. Again, thanks to Kush for supporting the thing. We have tickets at Howard Barbershop, right? We also have tickets right here at the bus terminal by our senior police snack shop inside of the
Okay,
bus
right up
terminal.
here.
Yeah,
Alright.
he has some tickets as well. We
Alright.
have tickets at Ella's in Hopkins,
Hopkins.
right? Thanks to Ella's for again supporting us. We have tickets at Abaisine at the location. There are tickets right there for sale as well. And we have some tickets at Easy Does It in Pomona,
Okay.
Mr. Acosta. So thanks to all these people who, right away said, sure,
Yeah.
I'll try to help you sell some tickets, right? And we really want to ask people to, find their
Come out.
spots.
Come out.
Ticket
Find a
sales
spot,
has been
get
a
your
little
tickets.
slow, but we know our people sometimes like wait
Yeah, for
until the
last
last few
minute.
days
Yeah,
before the thing.
yeah.
But if it
But
take too long, these are limited tickets.
yes, ladies
Right.
and gentlemen, boys and
We have to
girls,
bear in mind this
Support
is
the
not a
thing.
big
Remem-
facility. So
remember
if it
this.
take too long, you might not be able to
You'll
get in
get
there.
in.
remember this thing on our exclusive thing.
Yeah.
So for next week Saturday, make sure you get on a ticket for this boxing match. We have fighters, boxers coming from around Central America, Guatemala,
Male and female fighters.
Mexico, Belize, Honduras. So it's going to be very
And the
interesting.
US.
You know,
We have
and
a fighter from
United
Houston,
States,
Texas as well.
right? So when you come out, it's going to be very interesting.
I have a fighter from the
You know,
US as well.
from
so-
Houston.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
So things
Okay.
are being very interesting, and we have a female fighter, we have a female bout
Yeah,
that's going to happen.
serious
So we
female
have
fighter.
Amateur, and
She's
professional
out of
fights that's going to
Honduras.
be happening. So when you come out, now about Eastern,
April 11th.
Saturday, April
April
11th.
11th.
Right,
It's
the
all
tickets are
happening
cheap.
inside.
What are the pricing again? One more time.
$30 general,
$30 general,
$50 ringside,
$50
and
ringside,
$100 VIP.
$100 VIP.
Right, a VIP come
So-
with food and wine and popcorn and
That
hot
VIP
dog
will come with a special treat when you get in there.
and- Alright.
And you just have to chill and whatever you need, we have got people.
You have
come
got
to you,
service,
you
you have
have
got
to
service.
pick up at the
Yeah.
room.
Exclusive.
Yes,
VIP.
right? And you want to be seated in a location where you almost feel like you're in a ring.
Huh?
Yeah.
And so we want you to get one experience where you'll never forget.
Real time.
Right?
Alright, folks, there hear it from
So one last thing though,
the
I
doc-
want to also share, it's like I said, we have some sponsors who
Mhm.
have supported so far. We also had some businesses who have promised to support. I believe they're going to come true on their words, right? But everything that follow up and once they stick to that word, then we're good, right?
Yes,
but
sir.
besides that, we still push forward and try to put things in place that we need to make sure that this event go through, right?
The event will happen, man.
So
This event will happen.
we
Big
get
up the one
support
where they
from
help.
Henry Charles Usher from Fort George, all the way from Belize City. He's showing his assistance to us here in Don Rigo.
Yeah.
We have, of course, the Belize Boxing Development Council supporting our own event, right? We have Ella's Cool Spot, she's supporting the event. We have Dr. Zab supporting the event. We have the Town Council supporting the event. Baisene supporting the event. We also have Southpaw Boxing. That's Mole, you guys know, a gentleman by the name of Mole, an elderly guy. In fact, he come and set up
Wow.
Yeah, we
one
know
thing
more,
right
man.
out there so where the
we
kids
know.
they come
Yeah.
and bag,
Yeah.
so he's also supporting the event. We have East Coast Trucking. These guys are a company that's functioning out of Hopkins. They're supporting as well. Kazi Construction, he's also supporting the event. And there are, like I said, there are a few more who we're in communication with, and we believe that they're going to come through, right? So, thanks to all these sponsors to date, and all the others who will continue to support it, because these events, bro, they're community based. They're dependent on community support, and at the end of the day, it's about making things better in our community. Because some of them same youths, if we don't try to help them get off of the street, avoid getting into gangs and that type of stuff, there's no better place for them than a boxing gym, right? And I said that because now, ultimately, my goal and the British Boxing Development's goal is to set up boxing gyms all over the country,
Alright.
so we
That's
can
dope.
work with these youths, right? And so that's my push right now. I've been trying to set up a gym, and I'm hoping that through these events, proceeds, other support that come along, we're able to set up the gym and start working with some of the youths.
Alright then, Brother Sal, I want to thank you very much for the input. we ask the community, the surrounding, to support April 11th. It's all happening inside our Eastern
Yes.
school spot. Boxing, we have amateur
Professional.
and professional boxers that will be in our town. So we ask the town to come out and support. All right, that's our first segment.
And
It's South Coast.
one other group I don't want to forget to mention who is
Man,
supporting is
one more other
Digi.
group,
Digi is also
Man, big up
supporting
the
us,
Digi.
right?
Digi.
In a big way, right? With funding as well as with a nice drop. So if we need for stream live, if you guys are about, then the drop and done there.
Okay.
Seriously?
Yes.
Well,
right?
we are today.
But
So
who wanna make that for stream film?
we don't have anybody streaming yet. We're just talking to a couple of people right now, and then
Right.
yeah, but we have that locked in already, so that
Alright.
can take care of a lot of
Alright,
problems.
then.
Well, just say, you know, you know, we do all and any kind
Well,
of streaming network.
Well,
So,
I'm done. Had one conversation
After this.
three
all right.
to say I would like for you guys to be
Actually,
part of this thing.
yes.
And see how we could,
I mean,
so color commentating
Alright,
for three,
alright.
maybe for yourself, whatever way we could collaborate, right?
Like I tell you, on behalf of South Coast, we will be there.
All right.
I tell you on set.
All right.
So make
Positive
sure
plus positive
detail
and
have a
positive.
drop there for we, and we'll be there.
Did you done set it up?
Alright.
Did you
Alright.
set it up? Got
It's
it.
on. So
All right,
folks,
guys. Thanks very much for having me
here
on the
it
show.
over
Mr.
that and that,
No,
Mr. Sal, I
appreciate
want
you.
to say thank you very much
Absolutely,
for
man.
coming back on
Yes.
set. This time, Jaja gave me the privilege to
Bless up.
set it up.
The
So
moon, they out.
the moon, the full moon,
Everything
Easter
happened on
time,
everything
Star,
happened
yo.
for a
on
reason.
everything happened on his
Breeze, the
time.
blow nice.
Now, when
Yeah.
he said so,
Huh?
then
That
that's
it
up.
happened.
Yeah.
So folks, you know what? That's our first guest for tonight. Right now, the coast, the breeze, the blow, and a lot of things will happen on the coast.
No germs
No
tonight.
germs on the coast, all right? South Coast Podcast will be back in a flash.
All right, gentlemen.
Out the mic, out the mic, out the mic. Just out the mic.
My mic is on already? My mic is on already?
My for about. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to episode 22. And we did how much for the year?
12.
12. 12:22. Right?
Well,
But
22 in our tree.
at 22.
That's 22, man.
At
22.
22. My data was 22, so I
that number.
that is number.
That
But you know what? Since we did a Easter break,
Easter break. So,
right?
Yeah.
We are try our best that we not forget nobody.
Yeah. So,
Right? But we have a lot of activities taking place
this Easter.
So I will give you the privilege to start that way you the pan.
Yeah.
That way you the pan.
Yeah. So thanks, Adri.
That way you the
I
pan.
really appreciate you.
All right,
So,
good.
ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the spacecraft will orbit this Easter over Placentia. To be specific, Tipsy Tuna.
Huh?
So,
And there we are there.
if you're not there, na Placentia or around that area, Holy Saturday or Easter Sunday, Galaxy Bath, one day that Tipsy Tuna,
Bruh.
the host, the shows there, where they go on there, right? They line up tall, people. They line up tall. They tall like the Victoria people. So we want everybody to come out. Wanna come out in numbers. Na Placentia this weekend. So just to mention, Holy Saturday at Tipsy Tuna, we got mad games. We got food, drinks, beach vibes, all day. You know the thing said? We have burger eating contest, watermelon eating contest, lime and spoon contest, dance-off contest, swing suit contest, a whole heap one go on at Tipsy Tuna, Holy Saturday. No, entertainment. Just to mention, we have the Lies Master, Reckless Florist.
Don't tell me lies.
Don't tell me lies.
All right.
The headline, Holy Saturday. We have DJ Lifeline Nico.
Huh?
Exclusive sounds.
Then they pay for this.
Don't know how this thing set.
Charge then.
Zabaranks. We have DJ Swag, DJ Brong. I know journeys with DJ Brong, you know.
Yeah.
DJ Fingers.
Yeah.
This a Tipsy Tuna. This a Tipsy
By
Tuna.
Brong, they do
Right?
good.
This a Tipsy Tuna. So don't know what Tipsy going on. Nice.
Nice.
Now, after 6 p.m., kids they have to go home after 6 p.m. because then everything will turn up now.
Yeah.
You dig? Yeah, everything will turn up. Now make a talk about Easter Sunday now.
That's
I tip,
Saturday.
yeah, this is Saturday I just talk about Easter Sunday now, not Tipsy. Headliner, we have Stig the artist.
Mm.
And for the ladies them, we have Yastalia.
Mm.
So you don't know how the thing set up. Nice.
Mm.
Right? We have Lifeline Nico. Exclusive sound. Zabaranks. DJ Swag. DJ Brong. DJ Fingers.
Huh?
Yes, on the make
Again?
sure. On the make on the
DJ
way
Fingers?
to Tuna. Once on there Placentia. Same bite. On the don't know how the thing set. On the roll out.
DJ Fingers out of Belma
Yeah,
Pan.
DJ Fingers out of my pan.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you don't know what the thing set. Yeah, on the pull out on yourself. So I don't know. It's a Monday.
Where we are there?
City River.
City.
City River.
City boy.
We want the Easter Monday.
Right there,
So,
me
I
and
don't
you
know
are
how City set on Easter Monday, right? Crazy football, a whole heap of niceness at go on the Easter Monday. On come out card the lineup. Deep like the blue hole. That Easter Monday at City River.
So, Elas. Tell me about Elas.
Yeah, Elas want nice up.
Bye.
See a way for Easter Holy Saturday and Easter Sunday. Elas have a nice line up there. TLC band, Lovelace,
Yeah.
DJ Brown.
Again, yeah.
Why the whole thing was nice up now Elas same way. So Hopkins, wanna pull out the Elas South Blaze.
Yeah.
On the nice up senior way. Whole Saturday and Easter Sunday out the Hopkins there. So Elas and South Blaze are the place. Make sure we make on the way out over there.
That's for the people where they travel, where could afford it.
Yeah.
No.
We could touch that Grega
No,
now.
we're there at Grega.
The real place.
We're there at the culture capital.
Yeah.
And the culture capital, for the first time, they have a culture fete. And this culture fete is taking place over at the Eleho Bene Park.
Yes, sir.
4 days.
And 4 days this party?
4 days. Or 3. But it will start for tomorrow, Thursday. We will take a break Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
Why?
It's 4 days. No. They have entertainment. We have a local. And we have
international.
We have internationals. We nani go. We people, right? Our brothers, our sisters from next door, from Rotan, Honduras. Aye, Abalabo. What a go boy. What a go boy. Ayaha.
Ayaha.
Abalao hishiga musu aye wunda ni wun ya tangriga loba ge Joseph Afala ya tangriga soon quick to tipo cara wa geta le DYFA 91.7 FM soon ga ina go yete ge aye hishiga le bravo
nani go sereme wai ho kweti gonyo agobo moto lo mga haruga lo wadigina ha lo wadigini so
oh yes
so ada ohaya
don
adagale hisati lo wadigini won galina ondoro ni le
yeah bro
galina go gia mosu wana go won walida para galina go
hey
galina go
oh
galina go
oh
Kata paya wai kaya kunya. Apa le paya papa ne pa mai na. Kalau kala wala. Margarita, Tapa Bolelua, Namainabu, Neva Mainabu, Mobala Sakutana, Rapaya Kamera Goma, Mabala Sakutana, Rapaya Kamera Goma. Lójú tó wo eré bùkà ní ètò àyẹ̀kọ́ wá tó alọ́kọ̀ fẹ́ kò lè. Olùbàdàn rẹ̀ kò fọ́kúta. Olùwàlẹ̀ ọ̀hìn. Olùbàdàn rẹ̀ kò fọ́kúta. Venga, vaya. Yes.
Bye, DYFA.
Apa pun saja. Okey. Apa pun. Okey, apa pun. ¡Ay, qué rico! ¡Qué rico! ¡Ay! Llévate, ahí, ahí. Yeah, good. No. Hey. Ajá. What big? No, we don't. Hey, wow.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Nani gusta, Haruka, ugobo potito yara. When you gonna have ya?
Tomorrow,
Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah.
Alejo Beni,
Ah.
live. By what time we out there? By what time? By 3 to what time? 3 to 11. Tomorrow night, the party starts, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Make on the way to Alejo Beni Park.
Okay.
Right? Tukate, ni data. I make the hand, brother. All right, come out for the set. So to make sure tomorrow, on the way at Alejo Beni Park, on the see where to go on, we just warm up. South Coast Podcast Raw.
We gone.
No
Good night.
germs. On the know this weekend, make a tell you now again. Placencia, c'est Tuna. Easter Monday, City River. Holy Thursday, Alejo Beni. Holy Saturday, Alejo Beni. Easter Sunday, Alejo Beni. Easter Monday, Alejo Beni. No germs, South Coast. We're gone. Sereme Niabo.
All right. One love. They don't want to go.
No germs.
What do you think they have? Sponge.
No man, yeah, man.